Wesh! Salut les chicos, salut les gars, salut les filles, Hoyo gozaimasu. Hey guys, it's your boy Roman and I'm here again with another video. And this week we're looking at 5 slangs that will make you seem French, that will make you seem hip, that will make you seem young. So if you have been having problems talking French, just use these 5 slangs and you'll be speaking French in no time. Let's talk about it. Roman Rancho not being alive or content for any inaccuracies caused by this video or these slangs. Roman, que signifie wesh? Now, in my list, this is the most diverse expression because it can mean almost everything and almost nothing. Entrée. Oh, wesh ma gueule? Wesh. Wesh.
Did you say?
Wesh?
Oh, French is the language of love. Oh, say it again.
Wesh.
Wesh gros. Wesh. Ouais, c'était pour te dire j'arrive. Hein. Ouais, ok. Ouais, vas-y. Ouais, vas-y.
Alright guys, so by now I'm pretty sure that you could have guessed the meaning. So this expression, this colorful expression, wesh. It could mean so many things. It could mean from your regular salut, bonjour. It could even go as far as to mean your putain, merde. You know, it's even an exclamatory expression. So you could put at the beginning, at the end of your sentence. Hey, just use the word whenever you want, selon le feeling, and you'll be speaking French better than you know it. Wesh, ma gueule, t'as vu la meuf là-bas? Ouf.
Do I make you horny, baby?
Alright, so your meuf is pretty much your woman, your girl, your female. It's even equivalent to the English slang chick. Yes, and it could even be your girlfriend like, hey mec, t'as vu la meuf de Nico? Or something of the sort, but it just means woman or girl. It's your street language. So, use it today and I'm sure you'll start sounding more French and look even cooler. Salut les filles. So, who will I be taking out to dinner tonight? One at a time. So, your bogus is your sexy, it's your hot guy, it's your bad dude. It's that guy that everyone wants to be friends with, that every girl simply wants.
Oh, behave.
Right, so this guy, he's so cool that he's the trendsetter. When he moves, that's where the party goes. When he gets up, that's when he starts following. Whatever he does, it's cool. Whatever he wears, it's style. He's just your cool guy, your hot guy. He's me. Ah chérie, viens. Ouais Margaret, j'arrive. Ah Roman, tu veux les kiffer? Ils sont trop mignons. Ah, je les kiffe. Il faut les acheter. Oula, regarde ça, je kiffe les couleurs. Oh Roman, il faut acheter un nouveau chien. Oulala, c'est trop mignon. Je kiffe. Chérie, t'es le mien. T'es trop mignon. Je te kiffe. That is not a compliment. Alright, so that one was not rocket science, so it's not hard to figure out. So kiffer simply means to like or to love. So it's typically a replacement for your verb aimer. Speaking about French, alright, so if you want to use a cool word that makes you seem hip, makes you seem hype and young, this is your word and start using it and you'll be looking more French. Yeah, well, you'll be sounding more French. Yeah. Alright guys, so if you haven't guessed it by now, Mulaga simply means money. It's your slang for money. And in every language, we use different words to express money. Like in Spain, we use pasta. Or in Panama, we use plata. and in Jamaica we use cabbage, and universal we use dough or greens. So we have a lot of different words for money, and the French are no exception. Alright guys, so as I told you before, if you learn these 5 slangs, these 5 expressions, you will sound more French and more fluent. Let's give it a try. Wesh, beau gosse, tu connais la meuf de Jules? Ah, je la kiffe, car elle a beaucoup de moulaga. Oula. So guys, so as you just seen, I just used all 5 slangs in the same sentence, and look how French I sound. So give it a shot, and I'm pretty sure that people will be looking at you and mistake you for the native. Alright, so that's it guys. As we approach the end of the video, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscription button. And if you are new here, come on guys, show me some love, you know? Show me some love, alright, show me some love, yeah. And like this video, spread the word, tell your friends about the shirt on the social media platforms. Alright guys, so the last thing that I will be doing this week is, or for this video, is some shoutouts. And if you'd like to be shouted out in one of my videos, just simply leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll get to it. I respond to every comment. So these guys come from Argentina, and they are Lean y Martu. So Lean y Martu, si ustedes escuchan su nombre, simplemente déjanme un comentario en los comentarios abajo. Déjanme un comentario en los comentarios abajo. Me suena raro, pero sí, si escucharon su nombre, dejan un comentario abajo. The other person is Jonathan, and he's from Chile. Pues Jonathan, si escuchaste tu nombre, déjame un comentario abajo. Alright, the next person is Ronield. Ah, perdón, se me olvidé. C'est Ronield. Ay, es de España. So, this guy's from España, Ronield. I'm sorry, I'm messing that name up. Ah, Ivancito. Ah, ya, ahora me acuerdo de ti, Ivancito, ya. También él es de España. Pues yeah, so Ivancito, he's from Spain. And the last person on my list is Cristobal Correa. So Cristobal Correa from Chile. Entonces, chaval, si escuchaste tu nombre, déjame un comentario abajo, ya. Dale, ya. So guys, if you'd like to be shouted out in one of my videos, just simply leave me a comment down below, and I'll do it, or follow me on Instagram, and from time to time I'll ask a question. If you answer it right, you appear in my video or something. Oh yeah, before I end this video guys, as you all know, Sunday was Mother's Day, yes, so happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers in the world, and to those fathers who have taken on the role of mothers, or even if you aren't a father but you're someone who has taken on the role of a mother, they hasn't taken on the role of a mother, happy Mother's Day to you, or happy Parent Day to you. And in addition to that guys, it was also my mother's birthday, and that was like the 12th, which was Monday, well, one of these days. So happy birthday mom, and I already told you already, so if you guys could give my mom a big shout out, a big happy birthday, that would be so cool. She would appreciate it, and I would too. We made a video for her, as in my siblings and I. Because of copyright reasons, I don't think I could put it, but if I can, I'll try. Nonetheless guys, thank you so much again, and un abrazo psicológico. Thank you guys, and see you next week. Ciao, ciao.
Só queria viver a vida, muitas vezes causei feridas, e com medo de me apaixonar, meu coração ficou. Foram tantas despedidas, aventuras mal vividas, e com medo de me apaixonar, meu coração ficou.